27 of our 30 days of Christmas. Now, just to give you a quick backdrop, last year we did centerpieces like these for an event that we had at Hilton, and then this year we reused the same flowers and created a smaller centerpiece, a little more neater, cute one, without so much greenery. So that left us with a lot of greenery. And this is what we're going to do today. We are going to take these leaves that we had from this arrangement and we are going to convert it to pickers for our Christmas tree. So let's go outside and see how this goes. Alright, so I'm outside in the sun. Thank you very much, cameraman. So what I'm going to do, I'm putting my 2 leaves inside of this palm leaf, and I don't know what you call this. I'm not too sure. But anyway, I put it inside my box, and what I'm basically going to do is to spray paint it. So. Alright, so we come back and flip it over and spray the other side. Okay, so we sprayed one side, let it dry. Now I'm just turning them over and I'm going to spray the other sides. Let me put this inside this way, put this inside this way, lovely. And I'm going to spray these other sides. Alright. Once it's sprayed with 2 coats and it's shiny, you might actually want to use this as is, but I do also have a idea to put some glitter on it. Alright, so we're still outside. We're going to use glitter spray, and I don't even need to wait until this is completely dried, but I'm just lightly spraying on the glitter onto this. Right, so when this dries, you'll see the glitter in it. Right now, it's looking a little matte because it's still wet from the paint in the glitter spray. So we just came from the outside, and we sprayed out 2. One we sprayed with glitter spray. I don't know if you can see it, how much is glittering here. So fine dust on this. And this one we left as is now. For a picker, I think you can leave this as is because it already has some of the shine from the paint looking metallic. So I think if you put one more coat, it will look like totally metal. But I want to add glitter on this. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually paint on the paint onto, paint on the glue onto our leaf. Well, it's no longer a leaf, it's a pick for our Christmas tree. So I'm just going to spread this evenly. When this dry, there you have it. Our pick for our tree. This could also be used in garlands, as the case may be. And the good thing about when you create your own like this, we can make varying colors. So it doesn't have to be silver. It just happened that my Christmas tree is going to be silver, some gold and white. But it doesn't have to be silver. You can create this in red and green and gold, as the case may be. And if you watch carefully, you can actually see the difference. This is the glitter spray, and this is paint with glitter dust. To me, it's a big difference. This one is easy in terms of the work that you have to do, but I find this is way more shiny. See you guys tomorrow as we count down our 30 days to Christmas. Remember to subscribe, like us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, hit the subscription button, hit the notification buttons, and Joe Divine Design. That's Joe Divine Design. You can also find us on Pinterest and Tumblr. Just Google us, find us, like, share, subscribe. Okay, thanks guys, bye.